So this Krishna consciousness movement is very, very important from this angular vision that everyone is thinking this body as his. Nobody understands that he is within this body. Just like we are within this is dress. I am not this dress. This is the primary education of spiritual life. Unfortunately, it is very much lacking. And now you can see practically that these European and American boys, they are all young men, but they have forgotten the bodily relations. We have got in our institution Africans, Canadians, Australians, Europeans, Indians, but they do not consider with reference to this bodily concept of life. They live as eternal servant of Krishna. That is the instruction given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jiver Sarup hoy Nitya Krishna Das. So actually, if we want to be happy, then we have to accept the principle of Srimad Bhagavatam. Jato bhakti radho khaji. Bhakti comes out of love. You cannot make one forced to love you. It comes automatically. That automatic love is there in everyone's heart for Krishna. That is stated in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Nitya siddha Krishna bhakti sadha kavunay Sravanadi Shuddha Chitte Karaya Uday. Uday means it is awakened. Everyone has got love for Krishna within the heart. That is natural. But that love is distributed in different ways. How? Jasyat buddhi kunapeti dhatake sadhik kalatradisu bhomoi jadhik. This love has been distributed family-wise, community-wise, nation-wise, country-wise, like that. That this love has to be concentrated, converted to the love of Krishna. That is it. Then everything is perfect.